Announce the other one, because I'm Ashanti. Alright, if I'm doing it right, if I'm doing it wrong. Alright, the shot. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute, I know. Apologies for that. Today I have something special for y'all. We're going to be doing a cooking video. Now it's been a minute since I last did a cooking video. Last time I did a cooking video, it was, what was it? The I Went Vegan video where I made bayre and kontumare stew. Yemen kontumare stew, spinach stew. Today we're going to be having a Kenyan special with some Ghanaian food. It's a Ghanaian / Kenyan take. We're gonna be making jollof rice and a Kenyan dish called chapati. I have a friend with me who's gonna show us how to make chapati. Miss Maurine!
Hi guys, I'm Maurine. We want to do the two dish so that you can see how people are going to enjoy it. I hope you'll enjoy. Keep on watching and subscribe.
We're just gonna cook together. Y'all sit back, relax, and have fun. Check out how we make this food. Alright y'all, we're about to make the jollof. We're gonna show you the ingredients.
These are the ingredients we are going to use. Tomatoes, onions, pepper, garlic.
This is some grated ginger.
This is chopped capsicum. This is pilau masala. It's a Kenyan spice.
So we're adding that into the jollof.
This is our seasoning. We also have the curry powder. It's a Kenyan spice. The last one, we have the sunflower oil.
Let's get cooking. Let's get cooking. So you're gonna put the oil inside of the
Pot.
I think it's gonna rain some more. It's raining right now.
Kenyans we call the season pots. And in Kenya we call it sufuria.
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 We know pots are the clay one. Maybe for the clay ones. The clay ones are pots, but we call this one in Kenya sufuria.
We add yay amount of oil.
And you're going to wait it to heat so that you can add the onions. Add everything. To wait until the onions turn golden brown. After that, we're going to add the ginger and garlic. Then we shall add the tomatoes. Sweet.
Jollof, we making jollof. Yes, girl. We cook, but the onions are getting very crispy, very golden.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be adding tomatoes.
We are going to add the tomatoes, garlic, and ginger.
Adding the ginger, the garlic.
Also, these ones they need to fry until they become the sauce.
It becomes like saucy.
Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and put a lid over it.
Yeah.
So we have the onions, tomatoes, garlic, and ginger in there right now. We just cover it up so it gets mushy and sour.
We are adding salt, then the tomatoes and pepper. And starting with the sauce. I need to stir it very well.
This right here is the blended tomatoes, pure tomatoes, nothing added.
Nothing added. So now I'm adding the blended tomatoes.
That was the green pepper that was blended.
Green fresh pepper. I'm going to add the pepper now. Let it cook for some time.
How long should that sit for?
We need to wait like 5 minutes. Then we add something else.
It's getting there.
Right now we are going to add the tomato paste.
Yep.
This is 1.1 kg, but I'll not use the whole thing. I'm going to use like this amount and leave the rest.
Pour it up in here.
Yeah.
Get all that paste in. I should open it wider.
We need to mix it very well with the onions, what you fried, so we need to mix it very well.
I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like right now. We have the paste in there. We have the onions, garlic, ginger. We put some salt in there. then we just add the paste
green pepper.
and the green pepper.
I'm going to add the pilau masala and curry powder. This is the amount I'm going to add for the pilau masala. This is the amount I'm going to add for curry powder. Instead of adding Maggi and other stuff that I must have, I use one.
Shade.
Yeah.
Because other stuff are not healthy.
Don't eat a lot of Maggi. Now I want to add my rice. This is how it looks like. I've already washed it 5 times.
Pour the sucker in there. How many cups of rice do we make with this?
This is 1.5 kg of rice.
Okay.
I like jollof, that's why I use a lot of rice like that.
So you blend the rice in there with the sauce, and then we're gonna add some water in the top. She's making sure to blend the rice from the bottom of the pan so it doesn't stick.
This is how the rice looks like when you mix with the sauce. This is how it should be. Now we are going to add some water. This is how it looks like. I didn't add a lot of water. After the water disappears, it has to cook like for another 45 minutes when it's just still on the stove.
Make sure you keep an eye on it and start stirring because the rice sticks to the pot. Ooh, it gets so thick. Go from the bottom because it sticks like crazy.
The water has disappeared now. The rice is not fully cooked. I've just lowered the heat so that it can cook using the steam. This is how it is. We need to give it like another 20 minutes to cook. Cover it again. You have to keep on keeping an eye on it and mix it. It should just separate. The rice should separate. The last thing to go there is the capsicum. I'm going to add it with meat.
For my Americans, capsicum, bell peppers. Our jollof is almost done. We've been praying for this one.
It's ready. With the jollof, you can eat with whatever you want to eat with. I prepared just a salad so that I can eat it. This is carrots, this is cabbage.
Tell them what salad you made.
I just made vegetable salad. This is fried cabbage and this is raw carrot. I grated it, mixed with the capsicum, onions and some salt. The food is ready. We are ready to enjoy the food.
Yes.
Yes.
After cooking that jollof, it got really sweaty up in here. We were sweating, and that took like 4 hours.
Yeah.
We decided to just like, freshen up in like new fit, new makeup. What did we do? Look at Auntie Maurine. She looks good. She looks fire. Now we're finally going to make the chapati. I'm really excited about this because I'm going to be learning how to make it as well. So let's get it.
I want to show you the ingredients that I'm going to use for the chapati. This is a simple chapati I'm going to do. We have 2 types of chapati, the simple one, the other one you can spice it if you want. Chapati is an Indian and Kenyan food. It comes from the wheat. I'm just going to show you how to make the dough and fry it. This is what I'm going to use: the salt, sugar, warm water, sunflower oil and wheat flour. This is what I'm adding to the warm water. That is sugar, and I'm going to add also the salt. I'll stir it until the salt and sugar dissolves.
That's the hot water with the salt and sugar.
Yeah.
We transferred it into this pot. Auntie Maurine put the... Side note, we're in Africa, so everybody's auntie, okay? So I'm just like, I'm going to Auntie Maurine, auntie this and that.
Yeah.
Auntie Maurine put some flour in this, so that's what's in there.
Now I'm mixing the flour and the water.
She makes it, y'all. She makes it. This is probably like an arm workout, huh?
Yeah. This is how I'm mixing it. More? Wait. Now this is how my dough looks like. I want to mix it with the oil. This is what I'm going to do now. The oil was half a glass. I'm going to mix the dough until it mixes very well.
I'm about to try it. I'm excited. Like that? Hey! You did most of the work, let's be honest. It's already dough.
Heavy.
Heavy. Yeah, it's kind of like... That was exciting.
This is how the dough looks like now. It's fully mixed. You can see it's not sticky. The dough is ready, as you can see here.
She did.
Yes. I'm putting the flour on the counter. This is the amount I take. I'm trying to shape it and put it there. This is how my dough looks like after dividing it. This is what I'm going to do now. Napenda chapo inapendwa sana, so I hope you enjoy. I'm trying to teach the Ghanaians how to do it. Na wanaipenda sana sana sana. I hope next time nami nitawaonyesha jinsi wanafanya. Kuna muogo unapikwa unaitwa fufu. It's the same process, almost the same process.
I'm missing from my husband. His name is angry with me.
That's when I got to sing and dance.
When he's upset.
Yes!
Okay, girl, I see your master plan. Y'all hear her.
Yeah, that's true.
Good. Distract him a little bit. Ease the mind. Make him forget.
You make him happy. This is how it looks like.
Right now, we haven't put any oil on the base yet.
This is the Kenyan frying pan. I hope Ghanaians, you don't have it. See?
I don't really know because
No,
I'm like
no, you don't.
American, Ghanaian, half. I don't really know what's going on. Ghanaian American, that's what I call it. Special category for us.
I'm going to add some oil. Add sideways. Is it sideways? It is the right thing.
On this side.
On our side. That's how it looks like. I've just flipped it. I'm also adding the oil. My chapati has fried. This is how it looks like.
So beautiful.
So beautiful.
We're not even halfway done.
This is the beginning. Number one.
And I'm already tasting
And
it.
this guy is falling in love with the chapati.
I did chop. So good.
We're using the same procedure the way I did the first one. I'm going to flip it. Kenyans, naongeza mafuta. As you can see, ile ni mafuta. It's not only Kenya, but East African people. You can see what I'm trying to do. I know you know this, but for the Ghanaians, they're trying to learn because they love it. My chapati is done. This is how it looks like again.
Gorgeous. Alright y'all, thank you so much for tuning in into this episode, into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot. Enjoy that jollof, enjoy that chapati. Thank you for tuning in. This was so much fun. I had a great time learning how to make chapati, so you know I'm about to make a lot of that.
Okay guys, I hope you are going to enjoy the video. Those who have not watched, ensure you watch it and learn more about it. I hope also the jollof you're going to enjoy it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, all my people in Kenya.
Yeah.
Make that jollof.
I hope you've enjoyed the video, the jollof and chapati. Those who have not watched, please ensure you watch it.
Yes. My YouTube channel is Nina KVNYNA space capital K capital B.
Ensure you subscribe
And hit that like button and leave a comment.
Yeah, that's true. Please subscribe and leave a comment. We love you. Tunawapenda sana. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Tunawapende?
Tunawapenda. Yeah.
Tunawapenda.
Kwaherini, tuonane wakati mwingine tukifanya video ingine. So Kenyans, jollof. I'm still insisting jollof. Yeah, am I lying?
You're not lying.
I'm not lying.
Alright guys, bye.
Bye bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.